In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shapes hollow in Canva. By hollow, I mean removing the fill inside a shape so you're left with a clean outline, which is perfect for highlighting areas in your design, framing text, or creating a minimal, airy look. Start by opening the project you're working on. Once your design is on the screen, click to select the shape you want to make hollow. You'll know it's selected when you see the resize handles around it. Keeping the shape selected is important because the controls you need appear in the toolbar at the top only when the shape is active. Next, look along the top toolbar for the shape's color control. This is typically the small color tile or the fill option showing the current color of your shape. Click it to open the color panel. In that color panel, choose the no color or transparent option. It's often represented by a circle with a diagonal slash. As soon as you pick no color, the solid fill disappears and you'll be able to see right through the middle of the shape. At this point, the shape is technically hollow, but you'll want an outline to make it visible. With the shape still selected, head back to the top toolbar and find the stroke or border controls. Click Stroke Style to open the outline settings. Here, choose the type of stroke you prefer, such as a solid or dashed line, depending on the look you're going for. Then adjust the thickness to your liking. Increasing the thickness will make the outline more prominent, which is helpful if your background is busy or if the shape is fairly small. If the outline doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Make sure the shape is still selected and try increasing the thickness a bit more. Also, remember that a very thin stroke on a high-resolution canvas can look almost invisible, so a small bump in weight can make a big difference. For a crisp result, keep your outline consistent with the rest of your design style and consider the overall balance of elements so the hollow shape complements rather than competes with your content. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the shape, remove the fill with the no color option, then set your stroke style and thickness in the toolbar. With these quick adjustments, you'll have a clean, hollow shape that elevates your design in seconds.